I'm sure you've all heard the word science, but what does that word really mean? When you hear that word, does it make you think of mad scientists on TV coming up with plans to take over the world? Well, that's not what science is at all. So if science isn't what we see on TV, what is it? Science is a process of asking questions and looking for evidence to answer those questions. What kinds of questions do scientists ask? All kinds. Why does it get hot in the summer and cold in the winter? How do seeds become flowers? Where does rain come from? I bet you've asked scientific questions without even knowing it. Well, how do scientists answer questions? They do experiments and look for evidence. Scientists do all kinds of experiments to test their questions. Sometimes they find an answer, and sometimes they just end up with more questions. But that's okay, because science is always looking to learn more. You might be wondering, who gets to be a scientist? The answer to that question is, anyone who wants to be. You can be a scientist right now if you want. All you have to do to be a scientist is come up with a question, test what you think may happen, then write down what you observe so you can share what you learned with others. The fun thing about science is that it needs lots of people asking questions and sharing what they learn. That means it's up to you to help science by asking your questions and sharing what you learned.
Created using Powtoon.